Hello, today I'm going to show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. So, to schedule the email in Outlook, you want to write a new email, or just like me, go into drafts. I have wrote the email before, and you need to just open this, writing an email window. It doesn't matter if you just wrote a new email and you did this by selecting new email, or just like me went into drafts and opened an email. It works the same. To schedule an email, you want to go to options, which is right here, and select these three dots right here, more commands, and select delay delivery. And now in this window, as you can see, you have this option do not deliver before and you can select the date. For example, you're writing an email or Sunday and you want it to be delivered and 8 o'clock in a Monday or something. I'm going to select, for example, Monday and 8 a.m. as I said before. And keep in mind that if the recipient is going to get an email, they are going to get it and this date and this time right here, which you selected. But they are going to see that the email was wrote on the time that you are writing it. So for me it's gonna be 12th of January, 3:30, and they are just going to see that the email was wrote at this time. So now let's just close it, and now if you're going to press send, now the email that you have scheduled is going to be in the folder that is called Outbox. And as you have seen, the Outbox is the folder for emails that has been scheduled for the specific time. So once the date of the schedule time of specific email is going to come, and for me it's going to be Monday 8 a.m. the following week, the next week. This email is going to be moved to send items right here. So, and as I said before, the recipient is going to see this date on the email that it was sent that time, but they are going to get an email on the specific time that you have selected by scheduling. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and hit the subscribe button. Bye.